Good morning. So today I will guide you how you can go ahead and define your document series while creating the document. Let's go to our transaction module for this. Now on your transaction module on your right hand side very top corner you will see an option of create document. Please click on this create document. I will select purchase order. Now I will select a supplier company. So once I will select a supplier company, the particular purchase document format will get opened in front of you. Earlier, in order to go ahead and change the document number, you needed to go into your settings module and then after you needed to change that. We have provided this option in the very front. Here you will get an option of customize. Please click on this customize icon and this particular document series will get opened in front of you. You can go and add a new series here. You can very well go and edit or delete the previous series. You can make the series auto or manual as well while creating the document. Same you can do in each and every document whichever you are making, like purchase order, sales order, your invoices. So we have provided this feature in front for your use case. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.